Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to reduce internet data consumption on your Windows PC right now. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here on your start menu, right click on it, and the next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. The next thing you need to do is to simply go to apps. It's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply go to start up. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn off as much as possible all this. Turn them off. Lastly, come down below right here. Click on your Wi-Fi connection and make sure you have connected to your internet. And this is going to pump up. Then go to network and internet settings. And it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to Wi-Fi, then select your Wi-Fi connection. Then simply scroll down right here and make sure you turn on this button. It's as simple as that. So with that, you have drastically reduced high data consumption on your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.